I love that it can't sync to your phone for locking and unlocking. It's a nice way to unlock your laptop. Gift for my husband for Christmas. He loves it. He loves the touch screen and the battery life. Gets the job done. I got the 64GB Lenovo C330 Chromebook. You will be very pleased when you buy this product, and I am honestly saying that. Other Chromebooks are like $500 and up, and this one performs just as well as its competition. It's not like a home PC or laptop for storing a lot on it, but the 64GB is a lot of room, more than my phone has. I got this for the sole purpose of mobility and school, now that classes are pretty much partially online these days. It's 2.5 pounds, which is nothing compared to my home laptop, so I don't break my back walking to class. It also boots up in less than a minute. I tried it for my McGraw-Hill online books and work, and it works just the same as my laptop. Wi-Fi connects fast, and even better, the Chromebook has Bluetooth, so I can connect to my speaker or headphones whenever. It does download apps from Google Play, which is nice. It is also not quite a computer, but not quite a laptop either. It's somewhere in between. I recommend you get the 64GB, because when updates come that may take up some more space, and it'll prevent the Chromebook from becoming laggy. Also, the interface is extremely easy to use. Chrome is very similar to Android. Icons are clear and you can find anything with ease. Haven't tried art or stylus on it yet, but when I do, I'll update my review. I am a very happy college student, portable, affordable, worth the price. Exclamation mark. Update. I am using the screen filter, and now I really love this little Chromebook. This is a great Chromebook, but if you buy it, also buy the EA protection filter for this Lenovo. This filter is anti-glare as well as helping to reduce eye strain. After using my Chromebook for a few hours, I feel like both of my eyes got socked. That also triggers my migraines. If the filter does not work, I may have to consider returning. My wife picked this up for me as a late Father's Day early birthday gift. I've been using Chromebooks since 2014, and I've always enjoyed them. Since I am about to deploy to Kuwait, I've been in the market for a tablet. So, my wife thought it'd be a good idea to order this Chromebook for me, as it is a 2-in-1 model. And I am super thankful that she did. I am really impressed with this device. Although it is a bit heavier than I would want, it does everything that I need it to do and more. Initially, I was a bit bothered by the large bezels on the screen. I figured the company could have definitely made them quite smaller. However, as you can see from the picture above, the bezels are actually the right size for one-handed holding when in tablet mode. The bezels actually prevent accidental touches to the screen, so that is much more useful than I originally thought. For the price, this is a fantastic Chromebook. Battery life is good, the screen is quite responsive, and the programs show up really well on the screen. Also, this Chromebook, as well as many of the newer versions, come installed with the Google Play Store. So, you have the ability to download many of the apps to your Chromebook that you currently have on your Android device. That is super helpful. And, as an avid reader, the Kindle app looks fantastic on this screen. Very good. I had to come on here and review this tablet because of how much I love them. We bought 2 of these new last Christmas for our kids. I am actually re-gifting one to my niece this year as my son has grown out of it. Video games. I am a full-time online student and my puppy had chewed up my charger to my expensive laptop. I had a ton of homework due. I frantically ran around town trying to replace my charger, but since it is so new and such a high wattage, I would have had to order straight from the manufacturer, which would not help me that weekend. I logged onto my daughter's Chromebook and set up all my classes, which it ran everything perfectly. I couldn't believe it and almost wondered why I paid so much for my big laptop. Compared to mine, this thing is so cute and portable. I love the white. The screen quality is amazing and very vivid. It's zippy fast. I love the touch screen and my MacBook or gaming laptop doesn't even have that. I love how it's set up with Google. My kids use Google Docs for school. I just wanted to give this review for those who are looking for a Chromebook because even a year later these are amazing. No viruses to worry about or ads. If I didn't need a MacBook for graphic design or photography, I would be just fine with a little Chromebook. Things they will not do: run Excel, design software or big games. If you just want it for app games, surfing the internet, doing homework, watching Netflix or any other program, it's perfect. I even accessed Microsoft 365 for some of my work. Such a great little laptop. For the money, it's amazing. I used to use a Windows 17 inches laptop as a full-time remote worker. It had a giant hard drive, lots of RAM and the faster i7 Intel processors. But all I really need a computer for is the internet, Google Drive, Doc, Sheets and Slides. So, I bought this and haven't looked back. The Chrome OS is pretty durable. I certainly don't have all of the problems I used to have with Windows updates and the freeze-ups, etc. It does slow down after a while and you need to restart at least once a day, and the more Android apps you load, the more chances you will have for problems. The screen isn't the most brilliant boo. Gaming and watching media, it's adequate, but not great. The touch screen is pretty accurate, although when you have window on top of window, sometimes you can't select the correct window on its corner by touch and have to use the touchpad. I originally loved the idea it was a flip model, but it's too cumbersome, I guess, or maybe it's the fact the keys are still active underneath and your hands or whatever you place it down on can press against them. Not sure, but I don't use it that way. Bottom line, if all you need to do is make a living on the internet and use Google Cloud services, then this can't be beat. This is a great Chromebook for a student or college student. It's not too heavy and it's super easy to set up. All you need is a Gmail account. Also, the battery life on this is amazing. I have had it unplugged all day and I've yet to run out of battery. I would highly recommend it to anyone needing a small computer. I haven't run into any problems. The picture quality is pretty good, but sometimes some things are kinda pixelated. Overall, I would say I love this Chromebook. This is a beautiful touchscreen tablet laptop. Small and easy to use. I use it only to study and I love it. When I am not in the mood to study in desk, I lay down in my bed and study from there. I bought this to take on a backpacking trip to Europe because I also need to do some work. I was looking for a small, lightweight machine that could access the internet and get my work done. This little machine exceeds my expectations. Solidly constructed, great keyboard, fast display clarity, and a touchpad that works properly. I have a loathing for touchpads, so the fact that I've been using this one all day for work and haven't wanted to smash it is a huge plus. I'll report back after the backpacking trip to let you know how it fared in the elements. I may have to get one for my dad. Setting this up took 10 minutes. I already had a Gmail account. I was able to take notes, and I recommend you guys buy a stylus so you can use it on the notes here. I really love it. Was actually pretty cheap for workability. Also, this is great for school and classes. Love this laptop. It's exactly like the Acer Chromebook R11. So far everything is easy to set up and it looks awesome. OMG, I'm in love with my new computer. I love the size, can carry it everywhere. It's actually made my day. I like the fact that it's like one big phone. You can download your apps, and if you don't want to use as a laptop, you can fold it and use it as a tablet. Click link in description for more reviews.